Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and let's get right to it. I have a few things from AliExpress. Oh, good. Oh, good. I buy these. You know what? I have one right here. I buy these for these little shirts. They make great giveaways, gifts. Like for at doll shows for my, if I see a subscriber at a doll show, I have these, and I have Blythe handouts, and these are just great for that. They're not too expensive. They're just cute. They're nice little shirts. So there's that. And then I make skirts to go with that. Ooh, I gotta be really careful. This one is packed tight, 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 tight. We just did a giveaway of one of those on our channel with a couple skirts and mugs and other things. We do hidden giveaways and giveaways quite often on our channel. Oh, look here. Cool, 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 cool. All right. I buy this guy. I've only seen one seller with these. This is the same shirt in black. Well, you know what? I'll just show it to you. In black and white that comes with jeans. I've been buying from this one seller. I've not seen anyone else with it. Isn't that cute? It's just light and breezy and just cute. And this comes with a pair of jeans. I'm not crazy about the jeans, but it has a pair of jeans. Anyway, he only puts, or they, I don't know if it's a male or female or what, they only put up like 3 at a time, and I've been buying them, like I said, for giveaways. Plus, I have 2 smart dolls that can wear them now, and you never know what may show up at our house. All right, one more small package. I appreciate you watching. I have fun with these hauls. Oh, okay. These are from eBay. I've been buying from a seller there. I wanted to have a couple extra. These are for my smart dolls. There's 2 in here. I'm just going to pull out one. Silicone wig caps. Before I used these on my classics, I could not keep that wig on. I mean, I'd move the doll to the dresser and poo, 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 poo. And I put one of these on under each of the wigs. They stay on. I highly recommend them. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.